We are about to start our today's webinar, and it's my pleasure to introduce today's presenter, Sean Karan. Sean graduated from the University of Maine in 2012 with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. He spent 6 years in the plastic houseware industry before joining Nipromo in 2018. Since then, he has transitioned from molding process into mold design and simulation engineering. Today, Sean serves as our engineering servo lead, overseeing the integration of servo technology into the work cell. We are excited to have him share his expertise with us. Sean, the floor is yours.
All right, thank you very much, Casey, for that introduction. So my presentation today is using simulation to minimize risk in mold design, FSI and conformal cooling. As Casey mentioned, my name is Sean Curran. I am a mold design / CAE simulation engineer for Nipro Mold. A quick copyright and disclaimer. I'll leave that up for a couple seconds. So the agenda for today is an introduction to Nipro Mold. Then, even though Casey just gave a brief one, I'll do a follow-up introduction to myself, the speaker. And then I get into 5 case studies. The first one is mold design for an air trap. The second case study is modifying a part for balanced flow. The third case study is analyzing mold damage with FSI, or fluid structure interaction. The fourth case study is analyzing part design with FSI. And lastly, the final case study is using simulation to justify conformal cooling. And then we'll roll into a questions and comments period. So starting off with a brief history of Nipro Mold. The company Nylon Products was founded in 1955, later being rebranded to Nipro. Gordon Langton joined the company in 1962, eventually becoming the president and CEO, transforming the company into a global powerhouse in manufacturing. Historically located in Clinton, Massachusetts, the company throughout the years expanded its reach through additional endeavors in company startups such as MP Medical, Radius Health, the Nipro Institute, and in 1987, Nipro Mold. Over the years, Nipro and Nipro Mold continued to invest in the company both organically by adding new buildings and inorganically by acquiring companies.